Hi everybody, and a warm welcome back to MapleLeaf Customs in Switzerland. I'm Andrew, and on the docket today is one very small but important housekeeping item, and that is to do a single name redraw for one of my 10 custom 55 Chevy Gassers that I made about a month ago. One of them has gone unclaimed, and interestingly, it's one of the two chase cars, the one with a custom engine in it. Here it is, I'm taking it apart, remember, custom interiors. This one's got a set of white salmon wheels, and it's got the blown engine, the only one like that. They're all held together with magnets. This one has not been claimed. Oh, I'm a patient man, and I gave everybody a week to contact me, but it's been over a month now, so we need to put this one to bed. Here's the 10 name draw video. Well, I have to go back to the original build video, and all you had to do was leave a comment that said you're interested in buying one of these. There was no keyword to filter it by, so I'm just pasting the URL back into the YouTube random comment picker. Filter duplicate users. Do my best on this skill testing question. You got a 1 in 86 chance to win. Let's see whose name comes up. And it's Jacob Braunberger. Congratulations, Jacob. I hope this makes your day. I'm giving you a week to get in touch with me personally at this email address so we can work it all out. Thanks for watching again, everybody. Have a great day. It's coffee time.